In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI with Google Calendar. This is a simple way to manage your schedule, organize events, and stay productive using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll go to the Settings or Integrations section inside Claude. Now I'll look for an option to connect Google Calendar. For example, I might click Connect Google Calendar or a similar integration option. After that, I'll sign into my Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Claude will then connect to Google Calendar, allowing it to access and manage my events. If I want to use it, I can type a prompt like, "Show my schedule for today," or "Create a meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. Claude can also help reschedule events, set reminders, or organize my calendar more efficiently. If needed, I can adjust permissions or disconnect Google Calendar anytime from the settings. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI with Google Calendar. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.